Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts. In this video, I will show you how to use the brand new device reset. Once you log into your device, on the left, head over to Settings and then down to Device Reset. Please make sure to read through the entirety of this page to understand the process. Starting with Access Control, any inputs in Access Control will be deleted and then Access Control will be turned off. For App Relocator, all custom inputs will be deleted. The login password will be set at the default value, which is admin. Any DNS filtering or HTTPS filtering, also whitelists and blacklists, will be deleted. DPN mode is set at the default smart route. Any custom tunnels will also be deleted, and there will be a default set of tunnels in the DPN tunnel tab. Any inputs into the custom domain tab will be deleted. All Wi-Fi settings will be deleted, and the default Wi-Fi will be enabled. The password is I love Deeper, and the Deeper Wi-Fi will be Deeper Wi-Fi and then a string of numbers. If you wish to proceed, click Reset Device. In order to reset your device, you will have to input the phrase, I want to revert my device to default settings, and then you have to input your device password. Once you're ready, click OK. After a bit of time, your device will be reset. Remember, logging in will be admin and then admin. Those are the default credentials. One thing that will remain is your device's sharing logs. That is your personal information and we will not delete that. If you want to check, head over to Settings, Sharing, and then Sharing Logs, and make sure that your device's logs are still visible. Another thing that will not be altered is your mining tab. Your wallet will remain intact and all of your mining information will remain the same. If you want to check, log into your mining account with your wallet password and you will see that everything is exactly the same. Lastly, sometimes the device reset will require an additional reboot. If you perform the device reset and something like your wallet is inaccessible, do the reboot one more time. The community has been asking for a device reset for some time now, and we are very proud to present Device Reset.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.